Well, good evening, everybody. It's 7:27. It's a Monday. It's about 10 after 4. It rained. Now it stopped. I got the generator running. Had my new AC installed on Saturday and cooled this place right down. And it was a wonderful night. Wonderful sleeping night. But I got to tell you, with the rains that are coming in, you know, it keeps everything at bay. And it gets about 68 at night. So the biggest thing was getting the furnace. And now I have a thermostat on the wall, which I ran the wiring for it. I had it all prepped for him when he got here. And he had to show up a little later than was planned, but it still worked out fine. Did a great job, and it blows cold. And I'm keeping the other AC outside, and I promised Brian I'd give it to him. Maybe he can fix it, maybe he can mess with it, I don't care. My main objective was to have air conditioning when I needed it and have the furnace in the winter. It all passed inspection. It all works fine. And now we can move on to the next thing. Now, having said that, Brian just got released from the hospital, had every test known to man done to him. I talked to him on the phone a couple of times. They gave him a colonoscopy, and I mean, they checked this guy every which way to Friday before they let him go. And you know, we're dealing with an Army Ranger. These guys are kind of like a pit bull. They get gored by a pig, you sew them up, let them go, and they go right back at it. So I have to watch them, because the first thing he said to me today, about 20 minutes ago, was, "I'll be there at 9 o'clock. We're going to drill the rest of the holes." I said, "Okay, well, you got sick of my watch, so I'm going to be watching you." And that worked out fine. I mean, you know, nobody can do what we do. Together, when he's healthy, nobody can do what we do. So, God is good. He tests us, but we pass. As long as we keep passing and doing things right, I think we'll be okay. Can I stop him from doing what he wants to do? No. I also agreed to pay him for what he's doing, so now with the additional medical bills, I'm pretty sure he's ready to get back to work. But I'll keep an eye on him, because nobody's getting hurt on my watch. You know, he can yell at me all day long, but when it's time to stop, it's stop. You know, he is who he is. And I tried little Mexican guys, I tried other people, and they just couldn't do it. Nobody can do what we do together. You know, it's kind of ironic. Even though they're younger and supposed to be really all this and that, they can't do it. They don't have the upper body strength. It takes a tremendous upper body strength to do what we do. And that holds true setting 40 feet long double 2x8s that have to be lag bolted into this frame. So you have to have upper body strength, or else it's not going to work. And these guys just don't have it. They just don't. You know, they may be great at drywall, painting. You know, there's a lot of things they're great at, and I don't take it away from them. But now I need some military guys who are just the salt and can do what we need to do. So that's that. AC blows cold. Happy about that. Took a day off yesterday. Got caught up on a couple movies. I rented them. I think I spent $6. So I didn't breach my budget. And got caught up on a couple things. And it was fun. And I ate really good. Took a shower. Turned the AC on. Cooled this place down. Shut it off. Even now, after the rain, my little AC cube is keeping me cool. I'm not sweating. You know, the fog's blowing in. So tomorrow's another day. I really need to get these holes drilled. I need to get inspection tomorrow. You know. So, let's see how it works. There's always a learning curve with this stuff. But even in my last conversation with Brian, I'm going to call for inspection. I'm like, let's seat everything, get it ready, and then call for inspection. I don't want to cancel another one. We'll see. But I need the holes drilled so I can get inspection. And that's fine by me. You know, a man needs to know his limitations. If he's going to push it, that's up to him. That's not my field of expertise. I love his tenacity because I know I'm going to get it done. So anyway, I just want to check in real quick. My neighbor down at the end with the cow called me up. My dog's dying. I need to bury him, but I broke my thumb because he keeps dropping his bike, which I have to keep going and picking up for him. But it's okay. He's a little guy. He's not as strong as I am. I can pick that bike right up. And haven't heard from him, so I don't know what's going on. Be it as it may, it's cloudy, foggy, and that's the end of today. Because I'm not doing any more today. Got the outside cleaned up, at least, ready for tomorrow. So, I hope everybody is happy and healthy. I got the hiccups. I'm sorry. Be good to each other and to yourselves. We got a long way to go. We'll see what happens with the government after this month. They keep fighting amongst each other to see what's going to happen. I saved back enough money to finish my project, to hopefully survive until the winter. So I'll report back in when I got them 6x6 stood up, which I'm hoping to do by Thursday. Please excuse my hiccups. I don't know why I got them. And Thursday's the day to make sure those poles are set and concreted in. So, I'll talk to you then.